All right, let me show you the best subnet calculator that I've found that can teach you how to subnet and as well subnet for you. Okay, so the tool is called IPCalc. All that you have to do is get any kind of Ubuntu VM or Linux distro and use the command sudo apt install IPCalc, and it should download it and install it into your virtual machine. The next step is that you're going to need an IP address to calculate the subnet for. So you can just use any kind of command to get your IP address. Mine is 172.20.26.186. Now, it doesn't have to be the IP address from your PC. You can use any IP address that you're trying to learn with, but the command you're going to use is IPCalc, and then you're going to put whatever IP address you want to learn the subnet about or learn how to subnet with. In my opinion, after I learned how to subnet, the easiest and simplest way to understand it is to learn how to break down decimal to binary, and this calculator does that. As you can see right here, you can see the binary conversion to each of those decimal numbers for each of the octets. And once you study that, it will get easier. Let's take a quick look at our example. We could see the second line says net mask. That's our subnet mask, and it has all 8 binary ones highlighted. Now, if you look at the network, that /24 is meaning that we have the 3 255s in our net mask, meaning that's reserved for the network portion. Now we know the last portion of the IP address is reserved for the host. We also know that if we add up all the values of these 8 binary positions, it equals 255. But we have to reserve one for the network address and one for the broadcast address, leaving us a total of a max of 254 hosts. Now, to be honest, it's hard to explain subnetting in such a short, limited time. But if you like and follow for more, I will be putting another CCNA lesson of the day together where I will break this down on pen and paper. So make sure you follow. Holla at me.